So some of you were interested in seeing the dried results from my last swing pour, and this is how it dried. I think there's a couple things I need to do to these paintings when I do the swing pours. I want to think that I need to add some weight to that cup, because with the string suspended from the ceiling, it kind of just spins and it distorts the lines. So I think the next one I do like this, I'm definitely going to have to add some weights to the cup. But it dried amazing. Some of these areas here with the gold is very beautiful, going through that aqua blue, because the aqua blue has a lot of translucence to it. But it's quite beautiful, actually. I love it.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you in that video.